Okay, welcome to second class. This class is okay. Let's start. Classes and objects. The string classes can be used to define as many string objects as you like. Its reusability is very high. The string class is provided for us by the Java standard classes library, but we can also write our own class that defines specific object that we need. Classes object. This is the example. In this example, string is classes. S1, S2, and S3 are the objects or reference to objects. Precisely speaking, each of them has different state but the same behavior. Example, let's define a very simple employee class which has one data member and two methods. Example, first, when we create a new object, we say we are instantiating the object. Each class exists only once in a program, but there can be many thousands of objects that are instances of the classes. To instantiate an object in Java, we use the new operator. Here's how we create a new employee. Employee external new employee. The instantiation can also be done in two lines. The members of an object are accessed using the dot operator as follows. We define a test driver class to test the employee classes, like this. And note that the object name emp1 and emp2 is simplified here. See later slides for details. Encapsulation, as you can see from the above diagram, an object's variables make up the center or nucleus of the object. Methods surround and hide the object's nucleus from other objects in the program. This is called encapsulation. Member access modifiers control access to class, instance, variables, and methods. Public variables and methods accessible to other classes. Private variables and methods not accessible to other classes. Can be accessed via accessor method, get method. Allow client to read private data. Mutator method, set method. Allow clients to modify private data. Okay, this is the example like this. This is a bad example. The following example shows an incorrect use of public data member. This is a good example to show how to fix the problem in the previous example. Which is better? The public data employee is shorter than private data employee. Why do we say private data employee is better? Suppose the company wants to make the employee number more meaningful by dividing the employee number into two parts, department ID and staff ID, and the employee number is obtained by the formula department ID times 1000 plus staff ID. If the IT department has department ID 30 and the staff ID of Paul Leung is 228, then his employee number is 13228. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you.